Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about how to download and install Oracle 26AI software. Open Google Chrome. First download Oracle 26AI software. Open google.com. In the search, in the search bar, just I am searching for Oracle 26AI software download. Open first link here. Open this first link, Oracle AI database software downloads. This is the first link. Open this first link. In this first link, go below. Below here, observe. Download Oracle database free for Windows. This button is there. So it has 26AI software, Oracle 26AI software. Just click on download button. It downloads Oracle 26AI software. Now it is downloading now. Or otherwise, I already downloaded this and I placed in this link, that is tinyurl.com/Oracle26AI. This link has also Oracle 26AI software is available. From official Oracle website you can download, or using this link also, tinyurl.com/Oracle26AI. Here also this software is available. Okay, so now it is downloading the software. Please wait. Okay, now software is downloaded here. I'm going to that location now. In downloads location, this software downloaded. Oracle 26AI software downloaded here. This I want to install in my computer now. So for this, I want to create one folder in the C drive. So go to C drive. The C drive, I'm creating one new folder here. I'm creating new folder with the name Oracle. So folder is created. Now extract the zip file. Just now we downloaded this zip file. Extract this software. The zip file has Oracle 26AI software. This software I want to extract to Oracle folder. So right click on this zip file. Select extract files option. Extract it to in the C drive. Just now we created one folder. So go to C drive. Select Oracle folder here. Just now we created it. Select that one. Click on OK. Now software will be extracted to this folder now. So Oracle software extracted to Oracle folder, which is in the C drive. Observe. In the C drive, Oracle folder is there. So software is extracted here. In this last but one file, setup file is there. To install Oracle 26AI, just right click on this setup file. Select open option or run as administrator. Do you want to allow? Yes. So now it displays the wizard. Just to go through with this wizard. It installs Oracle 26AI software now. Observe here, it is showing the wizard. Okay, it is saying welcome. Just click on next button. Okay, it is asking license agreement. Just select I accept option. Click on next button. Okay, it is showing where this software will be installed. If you want to change the location, you can change. I don't want to change anything. In default location only, I want to install it. So directly I'm clicking on next button. It is asking one password here. Set one password. This is DBS password. For DBA, username is system. Okay, for that system user, we are setting the password now. So I am setting this password as Naresh IT here. I am giving password as Naresh IT. Naresh Shetty. Confirm password, save Naresh Shetty. I'm typing. Then I'm clicking on next button. We have to remember this password. This is DBS password. Okay, click on next button. So this installing Oracle software is duty of DBA. That password we have given now. So it is showing some paths like this. Okay, where software is available, everything it is giving. Just click on install button. Now it is installing the software now. It takes some time. Please wait. Okay. Now successfully this software installed. Just click on finish button. Oracle 26 AI software installed in my computer now. I want to open SQL Plus. So just press Windows R. It's showing run dialog box. In the run dialog box, type the command SQL Plus. It is showing SQL Plus software to us. I want to log in as DBA. For DBA, I'm giving username as system here. DBA username is system. At the time of Oracle installation, I have given password as Naresh IT. So slash that password I am entering Naresh IT. Okay, now it is telling that connected to Oracle AI Database 26 AI. So successfully software installed and I logged in as DBA. To check current username, just I'm typing show user. Current user is system DBA. Now I want to create one new user. I want to create one new user now with the username C hash hash Raju with the password Kumar. This new user I want to create now. So to create new user, just I'm typing like this: create user. Username I am giving as C hash hash Raju. Identified by identified by password I am giving as Kumar. So now your new user is created. But this user cannot connect to server now. To connect to server, permission is required. I'm giving that permission. Grant. Which permission? Connect permission. With connect permission, Raju can connect to server. But he cannot create table in the server. So to create the tables, views, procedures, functions, give the permission, resource permission. So because of resource permission, now Raju can create tables, views, procedures, functions, etc. But he cannot insert the records now. To insert the records, give one more permission, unlimited table space. So after creating the user, give these three permissions: connect permission, resource permission, unlimited table space. To whom we are giving these permissions? To C hash Raju. The user is ready now. Raju user is created. In the future, if you want to work with Oracle as Raju user, just open SQL Plus like this, press Windows R, type SQL Plus command, give username as C hash Raju. Okay, slash, give the password, Kumar. Now who is the current user I want to check now? Show user. Now current user is Raju. As Raju user, I want to create a table now. Create table like this. Create table T1. So because of connect permission, this Raju is able to connect to server. Because of this resource permission, he is able to create the table here. Observe. Table created. Because of unlimited table space permission, he is able to insert the records now. Observe here. Insert into T1 values 1 inserted. 1 row created. 2. Second row I am inserting. To save this data, just I am writing commit. To open and see the table data, just write select star from T1. Now T1 table created. In that F1 is the column, 1, 2 are the rows. So like this, you can practice creating tables. Okay, this is the way of downloading and installing Oracle 26AI software. And in that we created user. As user, we created the table. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video.